Well, are you hungry tonight? You know, I am. With Hungry Birds, there's lots of things you can eat, like chicken and burgers. There's some noise in the background. Just all kinds of excitement. Wow. It can be a lot of things. I mean, are you hungry for an appetite? Well, probably come check this place out. It's awesome. Whew! Now, Hungry Birds is like based on Angry Birds, kind of. Only it's titled Hungry Birds, where it's about food. And with food, you know you gotta be hungry as a hippo. That's right. Very hungry indeed. And you know what? That's my opinion. You can be hungry whenever. Very well. Sounds pretty delicious. Whew. Wonder what's going on up there. I don't know.